grade 6. Welcome to Social Sciences Geography Term 2. Can anyone tell me what trading is? And why do people trade and why do we buy goods? Trade as buying and selling of goods for money. I will need one learner to please come forward. There is a table that I did. I've created a supermarket table. So I need one learner to come forward as a cashier and the other learners, which are 2 learners, as buyers. They will be our customers.
My Bible's book, 80 rand. Okay. Color pants, 47 rand. There you go. Thank you. Let me give my change.
What do we call the action that just happened now? Trade as buying and selling of goods for money. Okay? And why do you think the seller requested money from the customer? Great. So learners, can you please just take a sit and listen carefully? Today we are going to talk about why people trade. Today people use money to trade. They use money. We all know what money is, right? They use money to trade. Money makes buying and selling very easy because people do not have to carry lots of objects around to exchange. We all know what exchange is, right? Yes. So when people sell things, they decide on the value first. This means they decide on the amount of the money that something is worth. It is the price we see in the stores. So you won't buy a fridge for 1 rand. Now will you buy a cell phone for 500,000? So that's the reason why people decide on looking at the prices, okay? Do you guys understand the value of trading for money? And remember, if you do not have any money, you cannot trade. You cannot buy any goods. Do you guys understand? So, can anyone tell me the difference between buying and selling? Anyone? Do you understand what buying is? So a buyer exchanges their money for goods and a seller exchanges their goods for money. Do you understand? What is the meaning of trading? Yes, and buying and selling for money. Now learners, as you know what is trade as buying and selling of goods for money is, we will now move out of the class for a very short field trip to a real supermarket to just experience and learn about trade as buying and selling for goods in real life, okay?
Welcome to our field trip for grade 6, Social Sciences Geography, Term 2, where we will experience real-life trade as buying and selling. As you see, There are lots of goods in the store, and each good carries a price. The store is selling, and we will be buying. Each goods or product has its own price, depending on the value of the product. So the prices are not the same. The bigger and long-lasting the product is, the higher the price, and the smaller the product, the lower the price might be. That's how it is. Now, finally, we will trade by the chosen goods using money. The cashier in the store will accept the money and give us a proof of payment. Till slip. The cashier at the till is an example of people trading for money. She gets paid every month doing that. And that's the end of our small supermarket field trip experience. Thank you, everyone.
It was fun. It was great. We're back in class. So learners, I want to tell you that I will be giving you homework. You will have to do this assessment at home. So there will be two parts of the homework. Part A is that you will have to find 5 pictures of products or goods from a magazine. You need to paste them in a table format, okay? You will then need to estimate the value of the goods, whether it is a high or it's low value. Part B is that you will need to investigate the advantages of using money versus exchange. Goods as a form of trade. So what do? You investigate the advantages of using money versus exchanging goods as a form of trade. What is good about using money as opposed to exchanging goods? Thank you guys. If you have any questions, don't hesitate to ask me. Teacher is always here to help. So thank you. Bye-bye.